Me and my wife Ellie will be bringing you a lodge tour today at Simbavati Waterside. It's absolutely glorious here, so you've clicked on the right video at the right place. First of all, to mention this lodge is in the Greater Kruger National Park. It's in Simbavati/Klaserie National Park. It is in the malaria zone. We're currently in December and it's 41 degrees. So if you see me sweating, it's not because I'm anxious or nervous talking to you guys. It is very hot and I am melting. We're going to give you a tour of the lodge. There's 8 rooms here, but we'll be showing you our room so you can get a view. They all look the same, just some are a little bit different. And we'll show you all the different areas around the resort. We've been here one night so far and it is beautiful. You'll love it. I guarantee it at the end of this video. So we'll get going, we'll show you the tour. So our first area we're going to show you, just where you'll see the area where you come get your safari vehicles in the morning, is the bush boma area. If you stay in here for a select few nights, there's 2 bomas. This is one of them. This is a bush boma. There's an open fire boma we'll show you later. There's a chance you might have a little bush dinner with your campmates and stuff. You'll make some good friends while you're on safari. So if you go down here, you'll have like bomas will be set out candlelight, special dinner, you might have braais, like the South Africans like to call it. Braais are amazing, by the way. This area we are behind us, just where we were a minute ago, this is the main area where you get on your safari vehicles in the mornings and the afternoons. If you look in here and you want to know kind of rough times of things, there's a PDF that will pop up on the screen. Just a warning, when you're on safari, maybe starve yourself for 2 weeks before you come here, because you will eat and eat and eat and eat, and you'll think, oh, I'll do some exercise, but you won't do it because you're here on holiday, right? So you just eat loads. So just to give you a hint, in December, we're here in South Africa's summer. Be prepared for very early mornings. Probably you'll be having a wake-up call, maybe 5 o'clock, 4:45, and you'll be going out ready at about 5:30 in the morning. It's actually quite pleasant being up early, be up for the sunrise, see all the animals, hear all the birds. It is gorgeous. So this is the main area. There's 2 main areas. As you can see, just behind me to your right, which is my left, you've got the main reception and the lounge area. We'll go there in a minute, but however, we're just going to show you 2 other little areas of the lodge, so we'll just head over this way. One of these areas here is a pelican pool. This is one of the biggest pools in the Greater Kruger area that you'll find. It is quite deep. It's 1.6 meters at the very deep end. I'm 6 foot tall, and when I get in it comes up to about here on my chest, but if not, there is a little plunge pool that's quite shallow. It comes up just above my knees, but there are towels provided around here. There's some beds under shade, which is quite nice. There's a very nice pool area here. So we'll pop over to the next bit, which is the gym and a spa. Behind us we have a spa. They do very different spa treatments. You can get like a 15-minute one for around 200 to 400 rand to full 90 minutes, ranging from about 1,000 to 1,800 rand. There's a little PDF in there when you go in. Nice spa treatment room. And also next door there's a gym. It's a few lots of equipment. There's also a little sauna inside. But when you're here in the summer it does get quite hot. So whether you work out or not is another thing. We're going to head back to the main lodge area in a second. So they've got a little shop here. You can buy everything. I'm happy because I do beanies, which are 340 rand. You've got little bits of jewellery, got little cuddly toys if you have little ones here. Safari hats, some safari books. You've got bird guiding books. You've literally got some other little... I'm a little bit overwhelmed at the moment with all this. Look, everything you feel. A little bush baby, which I've seen one of them. The hand soaps, gloves. If you're here around the winter time, look, if you've got little ones, you want to give them safari vibes. Look at that, you can give them that as well. But yeah, a lot of good stuff you can buy in the shop.
I want that hat.
It's nice, isn't it? Ellie's after that Simbavati Waterside hat. As you come through, as you get off your vehicles, you've got a little reception area. Just opposite that, you've got a lovely little shop. So all your safari gear and everything, you can find little beanie hats, all that kind of stuff. And as you come in, there's a nice seating area. We have a bar behind, and just outside you have an outdoor seating area. You will have most of your meals outside on the deck, and you'll have an overwatering hole. So we'll insert some clips of these for you. Enjoy it, and then after that, we'll see you for a room tour.
This is the area you'll spend most of your time and where you'll eat all of your meals.
A menu will be given to you for breakfast, lunch and dinner where you can choose from a variety of items. On occasion they'll fire up the pizza oven, and we thoroughly enjoyed every meal we had during our 4-night stay, and the service was just impeccable. If you're lucky enough, your meals may get interrupted by animals visiting the watering hole. During your stay you will have a meal in the beach boma around the fire at night, where you'll have a South African braai. Spoiler alert, there may be some singing and dancing, so don't be shy like all of us and make sure you get up and join in the fun. If you ever need the lavatory while relaxing around the bar area or at dinner, there are toilets located next to the reception area so you don't have to rush back to your room.
We've just checked in the Simbavati Waterside that we have room number 1, which is called Kingfisher. As you can see here, wait until you come through these magnificent doors. This door is like humongous, but this is probably one of the most beautiful rooms. So as we come in, first of all, I'm going to address the bathroom. We have his and her sink, lovely bathtub, a wardrobe just here. We've got a fridge just over here on the left. Everything in there is included with our all-inclusive package. Obviously tea, coffee making facilities, the cookies are included, but there's a little drawer that's got snacks in it. That's not included. I'm going to have some great night's sleeps in this bed. Got like your vanity area. You got just a toilet in here, standard toilet. You've got an indoor shower and you've got your shampoo, conditioner, body gel, that kind of stuff. But if you come out here, this is the piece de la resistance. We have an outdoor shower, so you could be, you know, lathering up. You could look here, you could see probably maybe elephants over there, or you might see some little impala and all that kind of stuff. But wait till we show you this. So if we come out these doors here, we have one of the best views you can get. So as you can see, we have electric fencing just outside. This is for our protection, because wild animals could probably come down here if we weren't sitting out here. So that's for our protection. We've got a view of the watering hole. That thing in the middle behind us is not a rock. His name's Henry. It's a hippo. It's a resident hippo. We've already seen some guinea fowl come down for a drink, the heron, woodland kingfisher.
If you want to see more from our safari, check out these videos. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It goes a long way in showing your support for our channel. We'll see you over in the videos on the screen.